Are you tired of spending too much money on chicken feed? You are not alone. In this video, I will show you 3 proven ways I feed my chicken for free. And yes, they work. They work. No fancy stuff, just real farm tested methods every poultry keeper can use. Let's get into the video. Number 1 is fermented plantain stem or banana stem. All what you need to do is to get your banana stem or plantain stem. You may have it at your backyard, and this is something that you don't need to go to the market and buy. You will get it for free, of course. So please watch this video on how to prepare fermented plantain stem or banana stem. All what you need to do is to go to your backyard. I believe every farmer, almost all the farmers, they have plantains or banana at their backyard. All what you need to do is to go and get the plantain stem or banana stem, chop them into smaller pieces. Chop them into smaller pieces, and then you make sure you look for the soft one. The matured stem might be a bit hard. So you chop them into smaller pieces, and then in preparing plantain stem or banana fermented feed, you need plantain stem and you need wheat bran and then just small salt. And this is my already made fermented feed, ready to serve to my birds. So as I said, watch the video. You will see how you are going to prepare it. Watch the full video to know how to prepare it. I'll drop the link on the description box. So this is my already fermented plantain stem feed for my layer chicken. You can give this to your layer chicken. You can give this to your broiler chicken. You can give this to your turkeys. Can you see? This looks so nice, and they really love it. So we are heading to serve it to our birds, and you will see how they will rush it. There's so much like fermented feed. They really love it. Number 2 is sprouted corn. Now, watch the full video to see how you are going to prepare sprouted corn. All what you need to do is to get your corn. This is my already soaked corn. I soaked this corn for 2 days, and now you are going to transfer it to a basket, or now I'm using a sack so that I'll be able to cover it. I'll be able to cover it for some days. This is how I'm going to cover it, and then I'll be sprinkling water. Yes, just like this. And then I'll be sprinkling water. Just be sprinkling water. And this is after 4 days. And here comes our sprouted corn. We're going to serve it. And number 3 is green veggies. Green veggies. I'm using cabbage as an example. I made so many videos on where I use green veggies to feed my chicken. I even made another one that I use cassava leaves to feed my chicken. So now we are going to chop the cabbage into smaller pieces. They really love cabbages. We're going to chop the cabbage into smaller pieces. All what you need to do is to make sure that you wash your cabbages very well. You need to wash them very well, free from chemicals, before feeding it to our beds. Can you see? This is our cabbages and it's ready. You will see how they are going to rush on this cabbage. They really love it. Wow. So you can use these 3 methods, 3 ways to feed your chicken without spending. So someone may ask a question, but you need to buy cabbage. Of course, cabbage is very easy to get. You cannot compare the price of cabbage to their feed. All what you need to do, you have to supplement it. Maybe you give them their feed in the morning, and then in the afternoon, before giving them their evening feed, you need to feed them with cabbages. So, can you see that? Just look at the way they are feeding on the cabbage, and this will help them to look more healthy. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and also share.